Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 67 Vet. 300 horse, 327 under the hood. This baby's been judged 3 different times by NCRS. It's been restored twice. We got a stack of receipts that high for both the restorations, and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it on the lift so you can see how nice the bottom side is. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at that 327. We're gonna go out and drive it. We're gonna look at the interior. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Corvette investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. All right, look at this beautiful car, man. The chrome looks great. The paint is phenomenal on it. Now, I said earlier that the car had been restored twice. It was restored once, and then it was taken to the next level on the second restoration. As you can see, she is beautiful. I've actually already done the drive video, and that's why I seem so excited. I tell you what, I want to make this my daily driver. That's how nice it drives. Great looking aluminum wheels, the red line tires. Now the side pipes were added after the fact. It was not a side pipe car from the factory. Everything lines up great. All the chrome, all the stainless is beautiful. Watch this. Look how slick that door opened up. And look at those door jambs. Look at the rubber. The quality work on the car is amazing. The door panels are beautiful. And look at that door jamb. Anybody that spends that much time making a door jamb look that beautiful, you know they did a beautiful job on the entire car. The seats look great, armrest looks awesome, and look at those gauges. It looks like a brand new 1967 car. That steering wheel is phenomenal. The gear shifter, oh my gosh, this thing goes through the gears so nice and easy. Now, if you want to check out pictures of the convertible top, go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. You'll see pictures there with the top up and the top down. Chrome on the back bumper. Look at the reflection there. It looks like there's tail lights in the back bumper too. That's how nice that chrome is. And then the bezels on the tail lights look good. The fill here all looks brand new. We've got great looking emblems. When you look down the side of the car, look how straight that bodywork is. Can you imagine the amount of hours it took to get the quality of paint job that's on this car? Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not a consignment dealer. That means we own this Corvette. So we've spent the time and checked it out before we bought it. Now, when we get them here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer all your questions. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. Right now, we've got a little over 230 cars in stock, and we're bringing in about 40 new ones every month. And I take a look at every one of those cars. So what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience helping you pick out your dream car. Corvette convertible time, 67 model. Top down, sun's out, sky's blue. We're driving around curves in a Corvette. I tell you what, this car is driving awesome. I just got me a new driver and I'm thinking about driving this thing home tonight instead of that brand new car because this thing is a hoot, guys. I think I've told you all, I live about 50 miles from here. I drive this car anywhere. I mean, smooth as can be, driving with no hands, going straight down the road. Shifter feels great, brakes feel great, all the gauges are working. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship it anywhere in the world. So just call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he'll tell you how easy it is to ship this Vet to your driveway. Now look down here on the dash. Look at that. It all looks brand new there. Speedo's working, gas gauge, battery gauge, water temp, oil pressure, tach, everything's working. Even the clock's going round and round. I don't know if that clock's keeping time, but it's going round and round. We got an AM/FM radio, it's got electric windows, and it's got a 4-speed, guys. As you can see, just as comfortable as can be, going through the gears, running like a top. Listen to that. Sounds great. Just upshift, downshift, no problem whatsoever. Now, if you need help with financing, we can help you there too. We've got 3 bankers we work with. It only takes about a 15-20 minute phone call. Or you can do it online at vanguardmotorsales.com. If you'd like to come visit us, we'd love to have you. We're only 15-20 minutes from the airport. If you'd like to drive in on a Saturday, we're here till 3 o'clock. Here's the building right here. We're at 15100 Keel Street. Now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put it up on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. Then we'll pop the hood and talk about the motor. All right, we're underneath this 67 now, and man, she's pretty under here. Nice and clean. Look at that spare tire holder. It looks brand spanking new. And let's see, there is a tire in there too. The frame is beautiful. It looks like they've painted the spring with that bare metal paint. The lower arms also, and the calipers. Everything's painted up so it won't rust. Bushings look good. The rear end housing does check out as a 336 posi. The snubber's new. Brake lines are new. Frame looks great. Frame is clean as can be. I see brand new alignment shims here in the lower swing arms. Floorboards have got a little bit of undercoating on it, but they are beautiful. Frame's nice and clean. Like I said, the side pipes have been added to the car. It is numbers matching trans, is numbers matching motor. The car is power steering. We've got the backing plates here, look like they're brand new. We got all the paint marks here on the steering gear. All the steering gear's in good shape. Everything about it, super clean under here. I tell you what, you're gonna need to put mirrors underneath this car because she is beautiful. The Sway Bar Bushings are new. We even got paper tags still on the Sway Bar here. And that's what everybody's looking for right there. Top flight NCRS, guys. That is perfect on a Corvette. This thing is amazing. Let's take a look. All right, we got some beautiful aluminum wheels here, man. These dudes are gorgeous. Red line tires. These are probably from Coke or 205 75 15. They're BFGs. And again, wheel wells are nice and clean. Rocker moldings look good. Those side pipe covers are gorgeous too. Let's check the rear. Out back again, wheel looks great. 205 75 15's back here, and right there is where all the music's coming out, guys. Side pipes. This thing sounds so badass. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we've got our 327 300 horse numbers matching motor. It's got the correct carb on it. Now, it did have power steering added to the car. Radiator looks like it's in great shape. Looks like I got brand new alignment shims up here in the upper control arms. It does have manual brakes on it too. Like I said, this car drives amazing. I love this car. I'll make this my daily driver, guys. She's a Corvette, she's numbers matching, restored over the top. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.